Good morning, students. Today we will read Chapter 2 Living and Surviving. Students, just see the given exercise on the top of the page number 188. And the exercise is fill in the blanks with the correct words from the brackets. First question. You see lotus plants dash, and the options are in a pond, on a hill, in a pot, and the answer is in a pond. You see lotus plants in a pond. Okay, just listen. Lotus plants. Then question 2. You see mango trees dash. Options in a pond, on a hill, in the plains. Answer is in the plains. You see mango trees in the plains. Next question number 3. You find coconut trees dash. Options near seaside, on a hill, in a river. Answer near seaside. You find coconut trees near seaside. Question number 4. Rice plants give us dash. Options food, fiber, firewood. Rice plants give us food. Answer is food. Okay. See, students, from this exercise we understand that plants grow almost everywhere. Plants grow almost everywhere means plants grow in a pond, in the plains, near seaside. Okay, understood? Means plants grow on land and in water also. Okay, students? Then see, now from this chapter we are going to study plants, where do they live and how do they survive in a particular place where they grow. Okay, we are going to study plants, where do they live and how do they survive. Okay, students, plants grow almost everywhere. We already told means plants grow on mountain, on ocean birds, in desert and even in river valleys also. And plants differ from each other depending on the area where they grow. Means in different area different plants grow. Okay, students? Then now let us read about plants that grow on land. Means we are going to read about terrestrial plants. Means plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. Means we are going to read plants that grow in hilly areas, in the plains, in hot and damp areas, in deserts and in marshy areas. Okay, students, see, plants in hilly areas. Plants that grow in hilly areas generally they are tall and straight. They grow tall and straight. And the trees that grow in hilly areas have needle-like leaves. And on these trees, instead of flowers, they bear cones. Okay, students, I will show you the images of trees and plants that grow in hilly areas. Okay, see, on these trees, instead of flowers, they bear cones. Okay, like seed we see now, that is called cones. And the trees that grow in hilly areas are pine, fir, deodar, spruce, etc. Okay. Now see the images of plants that grow in hilly areas. Now let us read about the plants that grow in the plains. Students, in plain areas, actually we can see trees like mango, shisham, peepal, banyan, etc. Students, the trees that grow in plain areas they can bear the heat, but these trees shed leaves during winter season. Winter season they shed their leaves. Okay. Now see the images of plants and trees that grow in plain areas. Now let us see the trees that grow in hot and damp areas means नमी क्षेत्र में बढ़ने वाला trees. See, these trees have lots of leaves. They bear lots of leaves. The trees that grow in hot and damp areas. These trees, they do not shed their leaves in winter. They always remain evergreen. हरा भरा रहता है. And these trees grow, the trees that grow in such places are the trees that we can find in these areas are teak. Okay, you are shown on the screen. Okay, teak, then coconut, pepper. Okay, pepper, this is also pepper. Okay, pepper, then rubber trees, these are also rubber trees. Then tea plants, we can see these tea plants also in hot and damp areas. Coffee plant, sugarcane, you know. Okay, sugarcane you already know. These are rice plants. rice plants, then cotton. Okay, these trees and these type of trees and plants we can find in hot and damp areas. Then let us study the plants that grow in desert areas. We will study about the plants in desert areas tomorrow. Okay, students. Thank you.